Okay, next marketing tip for you, create a weekly comment engagement post. These comment engagement posts are these posts where you say something like, I'm running a Claude workshop next week, comment Claude below, right? That's what this post is. And when people comment the word in the comments, it basically just creates a bit of an avalanche of your post being seen. If somebody comments on your post, it goes out in their newsfeed, it expands the reach and the visibility of that post, which is why you want people to comment. Engagement equals more views. Engagement equals more reach. Engagement equals more distribution of that post because it signals to the platform people are interested in this because it's being commented on. So this is where another one I said, I've got a free funnel workshop, comment funnels below. And boom, I'll send you the link. Comment boss below if you want this. I literally did it today. If I open up a Facebook page for you, where I am promoting this very workshop that you are watching right now. There it is. It just came up right on the screen there. Here's my personal profile. I made a video saying, here's what I'm preparing for my workshop. This was like 10 minutes before this workshop ran. And then I put comment business below if you'd like the replay. And I'll be sharing the sign up link. So I'm going to be using this method of comment engagement, not just to get people to this workshop live, but to sell the replay afterwards and or sell more people joining the Legends Lab. See what we're doing here? See what we're doing here? So this can be used, this method, for promoting anything that's free, for promoting anything that's paid. Absolutely either this works for. I recommend that you create yourself at least one comment engagement post a week. I would even go as far as saying, why not do one every day? It doesn't hurt. The more you do, the more you get. The more marketing you do, the more money you get. It's just how it works. Volume equals more hits. More hits equal more chances at winning, my friends. Imagine you got a dartboard in front of you. The more times you fire at it, the more chance you have of hitting the bullseye. Some posts will flop and get no views at all. Well, never mind, that's going to happen. That's how it works. Some posts are going to take off. The truth is you never really know which one it's going to be. So the more you're doing, just the more chance you have of eyeballs finding you. And that's why I love these comment posts. They work really well, but not all of them work. So just also don't go, oh, I tried that and nothing happened and no one commented. Not everything's going to go off, all right? But you just got to keep going. Now, I have given you a prompt. I've given you a prompt for you to create a Claude skill with this. So when you get the copy of these slides, which is already in your portal, this is a clickable link where it says get Sarah's AI prompt here. It's going to open up a document for you. This document is going to give you just copy and paste this entire thing. Literally copy and paste this entire thing directly into your AI of choice. It doesn't matter if you're using ChatGPT or Gemini, this will still create a comment engagement post thread for you. But if you're using Claude, you can actually have this turn into a skill as well. All right. So just letting you know, all you got to do is copy and paste the prompt in. Do you like getting the prompts? Do you like them? These do take me a long time to do, by the way. I hope you know it's taken me 2 days to put this workshop together. So I hope that you find this helpful and that you understand how fast you're being fast tracked here, because in the olden days, we all had to do this manually. It's very difficult to do it manually compared to having a prompt that you can chuck in and get some results out with. Who's going to do weekly comment engagement posts? Give us a yes, please. Oh, yeah. Yep. Thanks, Anne. She says she appreciates it. I am glad.